And good morning, welcome back to the channel. Today, Momo and I are at Koko Crater, and we're going to be doing Koko Crater Tramway Hike. Here we go, fam. Okay, we're making our way to the trailhead, but wanted to point out this is a really heavily trafficked trail. Parking lot's already full. It's only 8 a.m. So there are a couple parking lots. We parked at the lower one, but just something to keep in mind if you come here to do this hike. Okay, so this hike is a 1.6 mile rated hard, almost 1,000 feet of elevation. I believe it's about 1,000 stairs. So we'll show you all of that as we make our way to the top of this crater, but whew, it's gonna be a doozy. Okay, we made it to the official start, and check this out. Looks like it's a long way up. Here we go. We're 12 seconds into this, and look at these views. Absolutely incredible. Everyone's amazed. There's a gentleman that just ran up and down the stairs twice already. So everyone's like, how did he do it? He lapped us. It's pretty hilarious. Okay, we're at 0.63 miles. It's been a very steady uphill. It's about to change, get absolutely dramatic, but wow, this is a butt burner, man. I am, to be honest, dying. How are you holding up, baby?
I'm barely able to breathe. I caught my breath a little bit, but that looks scary.
Yeah, just a little bit to go, guys. Okay, right before it gets super crazy, there's a bypass you can take, but we're not doing that. We're going the scary route up the tramway. But there it is there. Over here. We're doing that. Here we go. We're already at 500 feet of elevation. And this thing practically goes straight up from here. Whew, boy. Oh, we're climbing higher and higher, guys. But, oh my God. The legs, jello. The soul, jello. Oh my God, but gotta keep going because gunshots, we're being chased. I'm trying to get to the top. Oh my God, look at that. Whew. Please hold. Okay, we made it to the top of the stairs, not to the crater part. That's only a little bit up. Over us right here, you can see, we should see a beautiful crater on the other side, but we're stopping, catching our breath, and just check out this view. Oh. Absolutely worth it. Incredible. making our way to the top. There's a few old World War II bunkers, encampments for guns for that whole time period, which is beautiful, but just amazing views everywhere we look. Absolutely incredible. Oh, wow, just beautiful views, fam. Incredible. Now we're headed down. Here we go. And before our descent really starts, here's what the tram looked like. Come all the way up here, powered by this. Really interesting. Oh man, we were just taking our sweet ass time getting down. Ooh, very steep. Oh, it's like playing Frogger back in the 80s. You think I'm kidding about that steepness? Look at this. Okay, legs are feeling it on the way down. It's a lot of steps, but you have to motivate everyone going up. I just motivated a golden retriever, so you never know where you're gonna be needed to say you got this. We're about halfway down. Baby, how you feeling?
I'm feeling really good now. I feel amazing.
Yeah, it's just an amazing hike. Less than 2 miles, but oh my God, it is going to challenge you in unique and fun ways. And the view at the top's so worth it. But we're heading back down, so let's go. Whew, almost at the bottom, look at that. Came from all the way up there. Just a little bit more to go. Buckle up. Okay, we just made it past the part where there's no bottom underneath, and how's that, baby?
My legs literally were going like this, like I could not control that.
For whatever reason, the scariest part coming back too. My legs were wobbling. Momo's legs were wobbling, but
like uncontrollably wobbling. Like I'm telling myself, it's okay, Momo, stand. And look, he's just doing it right now. It's just, it's weird.
Whew, almost done. Whew, almost at the finish line. Stay with me, people. Almost there. Oh my God, okay. We wrapped that bad boy up. It was a little over 2 miles, over 1,000 feet of elevation. Burned over 400 calories. Took us about 80 minutes, which is really good. So excited, we both ripped our shirts off. Ah! And then, man, just a huge shout out. There's people doing this in flip-flops. There's people doing this barefoot. There was a guy that did it 3 times. He looped us once. I mean, just absolute madness out here. Kudos to y'all. We'll see you on our next stop, which is putting some tasty burgers and beer in us. It's 9:30, but we're doing it anyway. Okay, well, we came in to Lico's to grab some delicious burgers and beer. Baby, you ready to eat?
So ready, let's go.
Okay, we've eaten lunch, we've hit the beach, we're finding ourselves a little spot to relax for a few hours, but check these views. Whew, windy, but absolutely beautiful. We're gonna go get our own little slice of heaven. All right, we jumped back in the car, headed back towards the hotel. So we will catch up with you then. Bye.